For this side lying hip adduction, isometric, you're going to want to set yourself up lying on your side such that your feet can be up against a wall. We're using a little box here for that. You're going to place your block in between your feet as a little spacer. And you're going to allow the knees to come together and I usually use a folded up sock, we have a washcloth today, in between the knees and allow those knees to come together. You're aiming for about a 90-degree angle at your hip and at your knees. And then check in with your torso. We want to make sure that we're as much in a sort of neutral-ish position as we can be. Feel like your ribs are connected to your pelvis. You're not overly arching or overly rounding your spine. From here, we're going to leave that bottom leg on the ground. You're going to think about dragging your top hip back and then squeezing your top knee down like you're making it heavier into your bottom knee or squeezing that towel object. If it feels good, you can try to pair this with the breath. Inhaling to pull back, exhaling to sink that squeeze even deeper so that it feels like you're ramping up a contraction of the inner thigh stuff of that top leg. As you do this for time or for reps, keep trying to deepen the pullback and the squeeze. At a certain point, you'll feel like there's no more motion available, but you should feel like you can still drive those directional forces to gather more contraction from that inner thigh tissue. After the time has elapsed, you can just gently relax that back down. And then of course you could switch sides.